featured in this episode of Vestil, We've Got It.
Dock seals and shelters are designed to maintain building temperatures while preventing inclement weather from entering the loading dock area. This reduces the potential of employee injury from slippery walking surfaces by maintaining dry floors. Vestil Manufacturing produces a full line of dock seals and shelters to fit virtually any door opening. All seals and shelters are manufactured from high-quality black, nylon-reinforced vinyl materials that are cut with precision and accuracy using computer-controlled, high-powered table cutters. Materials are bonded together for strength and durability using modern RF welders. We hope you enjoyed the video. While you're here, why not subscribe to us on YouTube, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and visit LinkedIn for updates, videos, and announcements from Vestil Manufacturing. Also, be sure to visit vestil.com for even more information about all of our products.
Vestil Manufacturing, we've got it.